Good morning, dear students. We already finished the first chapter. The name of chapter that was Rising Steps of Computers. And today we are going to start second chapter of your computer book. The name of this chapter is Computer Coding and Memory. So let's start reading. Firstly, what do you mean by coding and memory? Dear students, coding means to convert the data and information into the meaningful information. Means you have the unsolved as well as the other information that to convert into the meaningful information. And the memory, the work of memory is store the information and store the results. So let's start reading of this chapter. A computer takes in raw facts known as data and information. The computer takes raw facts that known as data and information. It processes them to produce meaningful information. Then it processes raw facts to producing meaningful information. A computer can process big amount of data in a very short time. A computer can process big amount of data, large amount of data a computer can process in limited period. Like our brain. Your brain can also do it, what it will do it slowly. Our brain works slowly, what the computer do it fast. And we can contain data in the form of numbers, letters, sounds, pictures or symbols. Numbers like 1 to 9, letters A to Z, any sounds, music sounds, any pictures or symbols. Symbols like and, less than, greater than, so on. Next, a computer cannot produce results for itself. If the set of instruction is not given to it. Means the computer cannot produce results if the set of instruction is not given to it. If we cannot give computer any input, then computer cannot produce any results and cannot produce any output. It can do exactly as it is told, no more and no less. Means it is exactly less told, no more and no less. People often talk about computer error. What usually that means human error. Means if the computer gives us any error, then usually it means a human error, because the human give instructions to the computer and a computer work according to them. If you have got a computerized electric bill for thousands of rupees, when you only use a light bulb, it means that the computer has made fault due to wrong instructions. It means if you got a computerized, for example, you got a computerized electricity bill of thousands of rupees. What? You only use a light bulb. It means the computer has fault due to wrong instruction. Means any person give wrong information to the computer, because computer only produce that data which followed by the instruction that's given by the human beings. So next one is a computer can process data by using two things. A computer can process data by using the two things that known as hardware and software. So what is the hardware? Hardware is the physical part of the computer. The hardware is that part of the computer that can see by naked eyes. We can see or touch the hardware devices. And the software is a part which cannot be seen by naked eyes. The software is that part of the computer we cannot see and we cannot touch. The set of instruction coded in binary language. The set of instruction are known as the coded in the binary languages 0 and 1, which works inside the computer is known as software. That works inside the computer, that's known as the software. There, the hardware is that part we can see. The hardwares are the flip copies, any hardware devices, the computer parts. Okay, and the softwares are the programs, any softwares that in the computer and we cannot touch it. Remember, computer understand only two codes. Dear students, computer only understand the two codes that known as the binary codes, which means 0 and 1. Here, the 0 represents to switch off and 1 represents to switch on. The 0 represents switch off and 1 represents to switch on. So here, dear student, we got knowledge about what is coding and what is data and information and what is the set of instructions, what is hardware and software, and what is binary codes. Hope you understand today's topic. Thank you.